me, Stephanie, and I'm back with another video on our Big Four News series on robotics and artificial intelligence. It's just a quick way to provide you with the latest happenings and stories in these fields globally. So, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on any videos. First up today, robotics students converted a toy car into a motorized wheelchair for family who couldn't afford one. The wheelchair 2-year-old Cillian Jackson needed cost more than $20,000. His parents couldn't afford it. Insurance wouldn't pay for it. So, a high school robotics team built him one. The team made it a point to keep the components cheap and affordable. Robotics has won many awards, but this act of kindness steals my heart. Second, robotics teacher making protective equipment with 3D printers. A robotics teacher from Woodbridge Senior High School uses his basement to make masks and shields, using a 3D printer and donating them to healthcare workers. Look how they achieved it. It's a heartwarming story, isn't it? Third, Mark Cuban, billionaire and investor from America, stated, "I'm looking at investment in robotics because I'm a big believer that for America 2.0, the only way we're going to be able to take jobs back from overseas is by advancing beyond them technologically." And right now, in the US, is behind China, Japan, and Germany when it comes to software and creating robots. He wants to see robotics really be the anchor for American manufacturing 2.0. Cuban described the coronavirus epidemic as an opportunity to focus government and industry on technological innovations in robotics and artificial intelligence. And the last big news, the medical imaging robot from China are now adopted by 400 hospitals in the EU. More than 40,000 cases are diagnosed every day through intelligent robot technology. Technology companies are continuously innovating and fulfilling their promise of committing to helping patients, lives, and time race through
I really wanna stop, but I just got
are continuously innovating and fulfilling their promise of committing to helping patients, lives, and time race through technological innovation with practical actions. So, this is the end of the Big Four stories this week. Come back next week for more inspiring stories. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, donate to Lavish Wamish by going to the link on the screen or in the description box. Membership starting only $2. Well, see you guys next week. Bye.